Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking callaloo and saltfish. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Yes, so this, I'm cleaning it off like I cut the top up here. I clean it, I look if there's anything down here. I make sure cut it off because you don't want any bug or anything. Cut it again. Then when I finish, I soak it in some salt water. And then wash it properly and then I cut it up. And I'll show you when I'm putting it in the season. This is all the ingredients that I'm going to use. Onion, sweet pepper, green pepper, scotch bonnet, tomato, garlic and everything like that. Yes, these is all the things that I cut off. I'm not going to use these, is all trash, you know. Then this is what I'm going to soak now in the salt water. Put it in the salt water and soak it and wash it properly. Then I cut it up. I'll show you when I cut it. And these are all the ingredients. Onion, red pepper, green pepper, scotch bonnet, tomato, and garlic. So here I am, finished washing it and I'm cutting it up now. To get the best part of it, put it in a pot and eat. Alright, so this is how I cut it. Yeah, here I have my half cup of saltfish. I wash it. That's the salt come off of it, you know. And then I pick it up nice. You need oil. I'm going to put in the callaloo. My saltfish, all my ingredients right now. Gonna have dry all my chopped ingredients, dry ingredients, my tomato, my onion, my garlic, my black pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, which is a must, my black pepper, a little seasoning salt, and I'm going to cover it and steam it, and I'll show you when it's finished. Turn up everything now and then I'm going to cover it back. Wow, this looks so pretty. So now I'm adding a little water. Then I'm going to cover it now and let it sit there and steam. Yeah, this cook for 15 minutes and medium, and this is what it should look like when you're finished. It's all done. Now we're ready to eat. I can't wait to eat this callaloo and saltfish. I'm having it with dumpling and banana and sweet potato. If you love this video, please subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much. One love.
Now that we are together again.